Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Good evening, Aparna. How are
Good evening.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. All right. So, where are you located, Aparna?
I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata. Oh, nice. All right. Okay. So, I think we are meeting for the very first time.
Yes. Very
Uh-huh.
first
By
time.
the okay. So, I'm a person from Kerala, and I have connected with a lot of people from Kolkata. Okay.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. Yes. In fact, I've learned some Bengali. तुम्हें क्या মনে আছে আমি ভালো আছি.
Wow, that was nice. Yeah. Do
Okay.
you know the meaning of it?
Yeah, how are you, right? How are you? I'm good.
Mm, yeah.
That's it.
It sounds very good when a non-Bengali person speaks Bengali.
Right. Okay. All right. So what do you do, Aparna?
I'm an IT professional. I
Oh,
work in
okay.
Cognizant.
Oh, cognizant. Oh, nice. I'm actually an IT professional as well. I'm a data
Wow.
data science professional.
Wow.
Right.
Okay. In which company?
Yes. I work in a startup firm based out of
Okay.
Kerala. It's called Winterglot. All
Okay.
right.
That's
So
great.
yes, I'm a junior data professional. That's how it is. I just started my IT journey like a few months ago. That's it. I was a banker at one point,
Okay.
and then I switched to this profession because banking was very boring. So yeah, that's how it is. And what do
Yeah.
you think of IT jobs? I mean, like, how do you feel about it?
They are good for an engineer. I mean, the people who how do I say this? I mean, who have done BTech or uh, anything in
Hmm.
computer
Okay.
science.
Huh.
They should do this job. Other than this, I don't think that for everybody it's very good or
Hmm,
very
hmm, hmm.
lucrative. I don't think.
Right. Right. Right.
But
Right.
but
So
who
are
knows
you?
computer and who has
Hmm,
the
hmm.
interest on it, they are
Right. Okay.
going to have.
So
Yeah.
so let me ask this question: Are you a software developer?
I'm not in development right now. I'm in testing right now.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah.
Very nice. Right. That's how it is. So, what is your intention behind joining this course on Clapingo?
Actually, I did my schooling from a Bengali medium school. So
Okay.
I always had this problem of speaking English, spoken English, and
Hmm.
I am struggling since a long time, but still I have problems. So to
Okay.
resolve that,
But I
I mean
think
to fix that.
Cognizant. Okay. I understand. So let me ask. Cognizant is a English-speaking
Yeah,
company. I mean,
that
everyone.
is, yeah, but you don't have, yeah, that is why I mean, that is the reason that I need to speak very fluently in my office. And uh,
Hmm.
actually I want to be as fluent as the maybe I would say native speakers, or maybe the people who have done their schooling from English medium background. So I
Hmm.
don't think my fluency is that good. So
Okay. Well, I believe that your fluency is quite good. All right.
yeah, but
So
sometimes I get stuck, and sometimes my
that's
vocabulary I
normal.
have.
That is normal. Don't worry about it. Everyone gets stuck once in a while. All right. And when you think that you're going to get stuck, that is exactly when you get stuck. All right.
Yeah.
That is what I feel. And when you get stuck, it is totally fine because all you have to do is just start over again. Just pause for a little bit and then recollect all your thoughts. Just start over. That's all that you have to do. Okay. So whenever I'm taking sessions, I get stuck sometimes, right? And what I do, I just take a deep breath and then again I start. So that is exactly what you should follow from now. All right.
Y- yes, but
Hmm.
sometimes what I was telling. Yeah, I have a cousin. I mean, one of
Okay.
my cousins, he works in he also works in IT company, and when he speaks, he had actually had done the his schooling from English medium school, and he
Okay.
has this. I mean, I couldn't say how much fluent he is, and whenever
Hmm.
I talk to
Hmm.
him, I feel like I don't know anything.
No, no, no.
Why it happens, I don't know. I mean, in
Uh,
front of him, I just forget everything, and I totally am blank.
right, right. This is a phenomenon that happens with almost all the people. Okay, and you need not worry. You're not the only one. There are so many people who has this issue. So when a very confident speaker comes in front of us, they start speaking, and they are very dominant, and you feel that okay,
Yeah,
I'm not able to say anything. Like how will I give them a reply? Right? You become very
exactly.
conscious. You become conscious and underconfident, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the only way to tackle this is by having a very solid mindset. That is, you will have to think on yourself that you are the better speaker here. You speak better than the other person. Whatever they're saying is just rubbish. All right, that is a mindset you have to have, and you have to pretend. You will have to pretend that you are
Yeah.
the better one. Okay, that is the only way to do it, right? And it requires practice. So
Yeah,
what?
that is the reason why I am searching for this kind of,
Hmm,
I mean, I joined this Clapingo. You said, you
right,
asked
right, right.
what is the reason. So this is the reason. I mean, I really feel bad when uh, I want to be, maybe I want to be like them, or I want to become as fluent as them. So that is the
I
reason.
want to become, not became,
Yeah,
become.
yeah, yeah, exactly. I
Okay,
want to
okay.
become like them. Yeah.
Okay, okay, understood. Right. So I would say that you're not very far from there. Like you can
Hmm.
become an upper intermediate or advanced speaker within months. That is what I feel. All right. All you have to do is you will have to devote 20 minutes of your day towards English, right? And
Hmm.
then you can easily reach there. For you, it is attainable because you have the stuff in you. You know what I mean? Like the quality that can get to the next level, that is definitely
Exactly.
there. All right, all you have to do is put in some effort. That's it. All right. Okay, so I think somebody calling you on the side. I just saw that
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
were
exactly. Actually, he was not aware that I'm talking.
okay.
My
So you are.
maternal uncle,
Oh, okay, okay,
yeah,
fine.
came
Right.
home.
So that's how it is. Understood.
Yeah. You were like Mumbai or maybe Delhi. Delhi. Yeah.
Hmm. I've never been to these places. Okay, I've been to Delhi,
Oh,
but not Mumbai. I've lived all my life in Kerala, still living in Kerala,
okay.
right? So I'm quite bored here, so need to get out, need to find some other
Hmm. Yeah,
opportunities
exactly.
elsewhere. Mhm. I go to Bangalore, for work purposes. I visit Bangalore quite often.
That is very nearby, I think.
Very near,
In
yeah, very
South
near.
only. Yeah, South India.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just like 8 hours from my place. I live in the
Oh,
northern part of Kerala,
yeah,
so
yeah. Okay.
mhm, that's
Oh.
how it is. Right, right. Okay. So we do have a topic to discuss on. Have you
Hmm.
gone through the document?
Not thoroughly. I just had a glance. Yeah.
Fine. What is the topic?
Unexpected situations.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, the problem is, I couldn't open the document today. I don't know why. The document was not opening, so I
Okay.
just left it. All right, which is why I asked you. So, what do you know what the situation is like? Is it like you hear the doorbell ring, police comes in? Is that the
No, no.
situation?
It was. Oh God, robbery in the bank. You are the bank manager, and there's
Uh,
some. Yeah, how do you save the? It was so difficult. Maybe I
oh, okay,
was not
okay.
getting any.
I'll just I'll change the scenario into something different because
Yeah.
you're an IT professional, all right? So banking just doesn't fit in the picture. So you are working in Cognizant, all right? So one day you find out that every system in your company is hacked, all right? And you are the one who's dealing. Imagine that you are the senior most person in your company. So what would you do in such a situation?
Okay. Um, I'll seek help from the. So I'm a management person, right?
Yes, yes.
So I don't have that much knowledge on coding or anything like that. So
Okay,
I'll
okay.
seek help from a person who is very proficient in coding, and he could actually solve the
Mhm.
problem and fix the problem.
Okay, but this the situation is quite tough. It's not as easy as you said it is. You know, they are asking for money. They want some, let's say, 15 crores of cash. Otherwise, they leak some of your very, very, what do you call, very important data.
Mhm.
Okay, right? So in this situation, how are we going to tackle it?
uh, how do I tackle this? I'm not getting any idea.
No, but whatever is coming into your mind, you can just say. Fine.
So what I could do is, okay, they are asking for money.
Yeah.
Um, I'll do.
Hmm.
Okay, let's not. uh, uh, you say what do you do? What would you do if
What would I
this?
do? Well, I'll have to hand over the cash because the data is more important. Because I'm a data professional, so like I can't really
So
say
15
that.
crores is a big amount. So you have to,
Of course, yeah, 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 that is
So,
true. But like, what happens if we don't give the 15 crores? They leak the data.
hmm,
It's like very, very important, and if the data is leaked, we will have severe losses. All right, so 15 crores, you know, won't cover up that loss. It may be more than that sometimes. So what I'll do is I'll just hand over the 15 crores and I'll trace them. Somehow I'll try to capture them with the help of police. I'll go up to the cyber cell and I'll ask the police to track them down, and that is what I'll do in this situation. Otherwise, we just have to surrender. We can't keep fighting the robbers. All right, it happens. All right, so that is what I'll probably do. Okay,
okay,
right. Yeah.
okay.
So there is another situation in this document, but like let's not discuss it. Right, we'll have something else to discuss. So I would like to ask you this: like, you have got a very what is this called? Like bindi? It's not
Oh,
bindi. It's a
no, it's Tilak. I'm a
tilak.
Vaishnav.
Tilak.
Do you know Vaishnav? I'm
No,
a
no. Of Vishnu.
devotee of Sri Radha Krishna.
Radha
Radha
Krishna.
Krishna.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's amazing. It's great to know.
You are
Okay.
totally unaware of this of Vaishnav, and
Um, for
I think in
according to me,
Kerala also there is ISKCON mandirs, ISKCON temples and all.
ISKCON is in Bangalore. Yeah,
Okay, in
not in
Kerala there is
Kerala.
no ISKCON temple.
No, 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 no. No.
Oh, actually, I'm not from ISKCON, but I'm also a devotee of Radha Krishna, and I have got initiation from Vrindavan, Sridham
Oh,
Vrindavan.
wonderful. Wow,
Yeah,
that's amazing. That's great to know. All right. So,
you should
do you?
visit Vrindavan.
Yeah, yeah,
That
definitely.
that is the most beautiful and that is the most peaceful place, I would say.
Mm, I have to. I have to
Yeah,
visit many places. It's all in my bucket list. Whenever I get an
yeah,
opportunity, I would surely visit those places. One thing is, do you wear this every day, like when
yeah.
you go for
Every
work,
day. Yeah.
even when you go for work?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that's very unique, I should say. Even I wear tilak, but it's like this: one small one here, one small one here. That's
Mm-hmm.
it. That's all.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I have
Sometimes it's
seen
like
a
this.
lot of Kerala people. Yeah.
Mhm. And I'm like a huge Shiva devotee, right?
Oh,
And yeah, I
wow. That's great.
I try to I try to go to temples like more than once in a week, right?
Wow.
So that's how it
You're
is.
also a spiritual person. That is
I
very
am
good.
I am a very spiritual person,
That is
actually.
very good. You don't look like that.
Yeah, I mean, like you said that I look like a non-Keralite, so that
Yeah.
itself says that yeah, I mean, looks can be different, but the person can be totally
Yeah,
different, right?
exactly.
So
Exactly.
that's the thing. So yeah, I'm
Yeah.
a spiritual person. I meditate every day. I chant
Wow.
prayers every day. So
Great.
that's very important in my life. I think it
Yeah,
has brought
those are
me.
very, very important.
Mhm. Ah.
Spiritual
That's how it
practice is
is.
very important.
Right, right, right. But I would say that I'm new to this. I started a few months back, right? But
Oh,
even before that, I was spiritual. But I became more spiritual like a few months back. So that's the thing. And my father's name is actually Radha. You know,
Radha Krishna.
yeah, that's my
Wow.
that's my father's
Wow.
name,
Wow.
right? So my name is Rohit R. Krishna. That's my
Rohit R.
full name. Rohit R. Krishna.
Krishna.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's
Great.
my full name.
So your
Okay.
surname is?
Okay. So in Kerala, surname is like the father's name. That's how it is.
Oh,
Yeah. So
okay. I
my
got it.
my surname is actually Radha Krishnan or
Hmm.
R Krishnan. That's how it
Hmm.
is.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's
Right.
great. It was nice to talk to you.
Very nice talking to you also. All
Thank
right.
you.
So I hope we'll meet some other time. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
If I get you, I mean, as a tutor.
Definitely. Yeah, I'll be available like from 8 to 10 every day. That is when I'm taking sessions. That is my time slot
Okay,
every
every
day.
day evening.
Evening, 8 to 10. 8 to 10.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Also, I'll give you my feedback. So as I said earlier, I think you are a very good speaker. What you can do right now to polish your English skills, I mean English speaking skills, is to try to use some advanced terms. Okay, so
Words, right?
try to build up your vocabulary, right, by learning 5 to 10 new words every day. All right, it can be from many different contexts.
But I just forget.
Yeah, that's because you're not using it regularly, right? So
Yeah.
you learn one word and try to use it frequently. That's how you learn.
Mm,
Okay, so you can prepare some very short speeches, that is 2 minute 3 minute speeches, right? And
mm,
you can make use of the words that you've learned in those speeches, right? So that is how you register these words in your mind. Okay, so automatically
yeah.
it will come out. Okay, so you don't need a lot of assistance. All you require is a bit of words. Try to build up the
Yeah.
vocabulary part. Learn a few phrases that you can use. Some idioms can be used in your speech, right? So that's all that is needed. Okay,
Okay.
right. Okay, okay, Aparna.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're welcome. Bye. Take care.
Bye.